Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This week I'm just going to be showing you what I made this week, getting ready for the market that's on Saturday. It's currently October 19th and it's just after 3:30 in the afternoon. I have been crocheting like a mad woman all week and I did get some stuff done. I put everything on my stands. It's not as colorful as it was the last time, but I am still taking a fair amount of stuff with me. I'm currently getting ready to sew together a spider, and I thought I had all the pieces made. I'm having wisdom tooth issues again this week. It was gone. It came back again yesterday, so it's hard to talk again. I thought I had like the mandibles and everything made, and the little two things, and what are they called? Fangs in the front. I thought I had those done, but apparently I didn't. So I have to do those up real quick before I can sew together the spider. And then I have a small axolotl that I need to put together. I have a bag next to me right here that my pillows came out of that I use for stuffing. Yes, I buy pillows, cheap pillows from Walmart. They're like $5 and they stuff quite a few toys. So I'm going to show you what it is that I've made this past week. I'm sorry I'm not in the studio, but I am, if you can tell. I have a little controller behind me there, and it's a heating pad that's on my back because I'm having back issues this week as well. I can't win. I can't win. Anyway, I'm going to flip you around and show you what I've made this week, and give you kind of a little update on what it is I'm taking to the market. Update on the market though, before I flip you around. It is going to pour rain on Saturday. This is an outdoor market. I've just sent an email off to the people that are running it and asking, you know, what happens, because we have like some kind of rainstorm or something coming through. I don't know what they're calling it, but we're supposed to get like anywhere between 20 and 40 millimeters of rain between Saturday and Sunday. This is going to be in an open grassy field, and if we're going to be having torrential rain, I don't understand how that's going to make people want to go out and do things. So I'm just trying to find out from them if they're going to either be postponing it, or if they're going to go ahead or move it to an indoor location or something, because I don't think people are going to want to be mucking around in a wet, soggy, grassy field trying to buy stuff from people. I know I wouldn't want to do that, and I can't see it being a good day overall, and I'm starting to get a little bit upset, I guess. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting nervous that I'm not going to make any money on Saturday after putting all this work into it, and it would have been nice if they had another plan in case there was this, maybe it's a hurricane, I don't know. It is hurricane season. A lot of rain anyway, but let's get you flipped around, show you what I made this week, and then I'll pop back in real quick after. Alright, so change of plans. I got you set up on top of the spider that I'm working on because I can't figure out another way to show you everything. So bear with me, you're going to be looking at my face a little bit longer. I'm not wearing any makeup, and I couldn't be bothered. I've got more things to do than put makeup on. So I apologize if my appearance offends you, but suck it up and let's look at some of the stuff that I've got made. So we have these squid. I call them squidlets. They're pretty popular. I sold a few of these already, so I decided to make some more. We have the duck that I was working on in the last video. I finally got this one finished. I'm sorry if I keep looking at the screen. I just want to make sure that I'm showing you guys in focus of the camera. And then I have a couple of these leggy frogs. I think they turned out nice. This would be a nice color for pickles as well, but I started my pickles with the worsted weight wool, so I think I'll stick to that. I don't know if I want to show you every single one of these, but I have these mushies. The eyes look a little crooked, but they were fine when they get smushed in the bin. I just got to smush them back into shape after. So we have that one. And then we have a triceratops. These are really hard to show. One thing I don't like, or something that maybe I need to figure out to do differently, is that I don't like how this piece and this piece look different. I think it's something to do with how I'm making the stitches down here at the bottom. So I want to try to get that figured out, but I have this one. I really like how the puffy wool makes it stand out a little bit more. Then I have a smaller version and a bigger version of this. I don't like how the tops of the mushrooms fall down, so I actually omitted a couple of lines of the pattern to get this smaller version, and it doesn't cover the eyes as much. But they're two different prices because one's smaller than the other, even though it's the same pattern. There's the other leggy frog. I can never seem to get the eyes to be like super perfect, but it's not horrible. And what else have we got? We've got this mushroom guy and another mushroom guy. I'm trying not to let these touch the couch or touch the floor because I do have pets and I don't want to get them full of fur. And then we have this one. Same as the other. I think I have like 6 of the smaller ones. I ended up getting another angry duck made with the knife. I've been asked if I'm going to be including this for a pattern, and I will be releasing some modifications for the ducks for the different types of wings and how to do the knife and the handle and everything and how to sew it together. Because if you haven't noticed, I got a couple different kinds of wings going on. I got the smaller ones for this one, then I've got the bigger flappy wings for the parakeets. And then I have my hair won't stay out of my eyes, and then I have the folded in half wing for the mallard duck. So I've got a few different wings there, but I will be releasing a modification pattern soon. We have an octopus keychain. What is this? Oh, I made a turtle. It was a challenge, but I do have one turtle and he is quite cute. I might make some more in the future, but honestly, if you're rushing to make market stuff, this is not a pattern to make. Definitely not a pattern to make. He is quite big though. And that one. Keep in mind, this is all the stuff that I've made just this week. Another mushroom guy. Then we have this dino keychain. I'm hoping to get a couple more of these done tonight. So we have this one. And then we have this one. I really like making the dinosaurs. I don't like sewing them together. I don't think a lot of people enjoy sewing things. Then we have this dinosaur. I really like making these. This is actually done with Mainstay wool from Walmart. It's the Walmart brand wool. I really like using Burnett wool, Burnett, but I find that it's very stretchy, and if you want something that's a little bit more stiff and you don't want it to stretch out, this is really good. And I use a 3.5mm hook to make these with. They're a little bit larger than my last dinosaur keychains, but I did it on purpose. But I have 3 of those. Again, it's the colors. And what else have I got here? I only got a couple more things. This is everything that I've made since the last video went up. So I think I did pretty good. We have another one of these. Got the little starfish. I'm actually going to attempt something over the weekend, and I'll probably record it if I'm up to it. But you see how I have these eyes in here and they're just black? I've received an order that I placed of 24mm eyes, and they're a lot bigger than what I would have thought 24mm eyes were going to be. So what I want to do is, because they're so big and black, obviously, because that's what I ordered, I want to try and get some rough sandpaper and buff a pair down, and I want to hand paint them. I want to like hand paint the eyes, so then when I put them in my goats, I can do a bottom eyelid and a top eyelid for the goat, and the eye can sit inside the eyelid, and I think that would make it stand out and give the goat a little bit more personality and more uniqueness, because now you're going to be getting a hand painted set of eyes as well. Now, I don't know if it's going to work, but if you're interested to see if you can paint on these plastic eyes, hopefully I'll have a video, because my next market is not until closer to the end of November after this weekend. So I'll have some time to sit down and mess around with some things and try some things out. So, and I plan on getting Patreon stuff done this weekend too. So yeah, I want to have some different kind of eyes. And for the goats, I want to have like slits. Slits? Is that a word? For, you know how goats' eyes, they're not pupils like up and down, they're like across. I want to paint some like that and have them like metallic and sparkly and things like that. And I don't know if I'm going to resin coat them, because I do have some UV resin left. I hate using resin lately, or if I'll put a few layers of varnish over them. I will test it out on a couple of different things to see what works the best, but I think it might be another bit of a unique thing that I can do. And who knows if I get really good at painting the eyes, because I like acrylic painting, and if they work out, maybe it's something that I could sell in the shop. Like, you can buy the hand painted eyes to go into your own product. It's just something that I'm thinking about doing. Anyway, this is this one right here. I really like the colors of this one, and this is the mainstay wool from the Walmart brand as well. And this up here is I forget what it's called. It's in like little cakes, but the plush wool is a mix between the Burnett and the mainstay stuff as well. And I also have, I have two of these. I have one this color, and the other one that I have is white with, you can't really tell on here, but it's very glittery. Oh, there you go. You can see the glitter. I like the white one more than the blue, only because I'm not fond of this color of blue. I thought I kind of had like an iffy moment when I bought it, but this is the Walmart brand wool, and this is actually the Burnett Brights. I like the Walmart brand wool better than working with this, to be honest. And you can tell there's a little bit of a difference in the size too. That's because the Burnett wool seems to be a little bit bigger than the Walmart wool. But the Walmart wool was 10 bucks. The Burnett wool was 14 and change. Plus tax or whatever. So that's what I have bringing to the market on Saturday. If you're watching this and you're local and you want to come by and pick up something, unless the market gets postponed or canceled or something, moved inside. I don't know what's going to happen, but it is going to rain. It's not going to be a nice day, and it's very frustrating at this point not knowing exactly what's happening. The people that are running the event sent out an email yesterday with setup times and everything, which I think it was yesterday, and I thought that was a little bit close to the day of, and I'm just not sure if they're prepared for the weather or if they just expect us to wear rubber boots in the middle of the field. I don't know what's happening, but I'll keep you posted in the next video. That's pretty much what I got for you for this week. I'll keep in mind to record if I do try to paint on the eyes, which I really do think I want to do. I just need to make sure I have some sandpaper here to scuff up the plastic a little bit. But I think that would be an interesting project for over the weekend. And I'm itching to make another goat. And I also want to do a Krampus goat. So maybe we'll do some like evil looking eyes, red eyes or something to go in the Krampus goat. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. This is what I have. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section. I'll do my best to link all the patterns, what I have made, down in the description of the video if you want to go and check them out. Forgive me if I miss a couple, because some I did find on Pinterest and I didn't save them, but if I have a link to the pattern where you can find it, I'll definitely leave it in the description in the video and below. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, guys, I'm gonna go. I'm finding it a little bit hard to talk. I'll see you in the next one. Fingers crossed for me that the market goes ahead. All right, I'll see you later.